Okay students, in previous class we discussed preparation of phenols. In this class we are going to discuss physical properties of phenols and alcohols. Physical properties of phenols and alcohols we are going to discuss. Okay, then physical properties of alcohols and phenols. Physical properties of alcohols and phenols. Okay, now we are going to discuss. So here, why alcohols and phenols differ in their physical properties means due to hydroxyl group. Okay, alcohols and phenols consist two parts. Okay, see here, alcohols and phenols consists two parts. Consists two parts. Okay, the first one is alkyl or aryl. The second one is hydroxyl group. Okay, second one is hydroxyl group. Okay, so here hydroxyl group. So alkyl, aryl and hydroxyl group. So the properties is due to hydroxyl. The properties of alcohols and phenols is due to chiefly, mainly OH group. The properties see the properties of alcohols and phenols is due to OH group. Is due to OH group. Okay, the first one we will discuss boiling points. First one we will discuss boiling points. Okay, so boiling points are high. Alcohols and phenols. The boiling points of alcohols and phenols are high. Okay, see here, the boiling points of alcohols and phenols are high. Boiling points of alcohols and phenols are high. See, the alkyl groups increases on the carbon chain. The alkyl groups increases on the carbon chain. The alkyl groups increases on the carbon chain, then boiling points also increases. then boiling points also increases. Okay, okay, due to van der Waals force increases. So due to van der Waals forces increases, due to van der Waals forces increases. Okay, so the number of branches increases on the carbon chain, then boiling points decreases. So here the number of branches increases on the carbon chain, then boiling points decreases, due to van der Waals forces decreases, due to van der Waals forces decreases. Due to van der Waals forces decreases. Due to van der Waals forces decreases. Okay. See, the OH group in alcohols and phenols form intermolecular hydrogen bond. The OH groups forms intermolecular hydrogen bond in alcohols and phenols. Okay, so intermolecular hydrogen bond is involved in hydroxyl group of alcohols and phenols. We may write like this. So the OH group form intermolecular hydrogen bond hydrogen bond in alcohols and phenols. Okay, the OH group forms intermolecular hydrogen bond in alcohols and phenols. Okay, see, for example, alcohols, okay, it is phenols. Okay, alcohols we may write OHR, then OHR, then OHR. Now between these two intermolecular hydrogen bond is formed. Now between these two intermolecular hydrogen bond is formed. It is a negative charge, it is a positive charge, negative charge, and it is a positive charge, and it will be continuous like that. It is a negative charge. Okay, so it is intermolecular hydrogen bond. So it is intermolecular hydrogen bond. Okay, so here phenols. So here phenols, it is a phenol, O and H. It is a one more phenol. Okay, O and H. It is a one more phenol. Now intermolecular hydrogen bond is formed between these two, and like this. So it is a minus it is a plus, it is a minus, it is a plus, it is a minus, minus delta, positive delta, negative delta, positive delta and a negative delta. This is the intermolecular hydrogen bond in phenols. It is the intermolecular hydrogen bond it is the intermolecular hydrogen bond in phenols. It is alcohols. Okay. Now the boiling point of the phenols and alcohols are higher than corresponding compounds, higher than compounds like hydrocarbons and haloalkanes, haloarenes and ethers. Okay, see here the boiling points of phenols and alcohols is higher than hydrocarbons, ethers, comma haloarenes and haloalkanes. Okay, so the boiling point of phenols and alcohols is higher than hydrocarbons, ethers, haloarenes and haloalkanes. Why? Because see here, if I am taking ethanol and ether and propane okay, ethanol means CH3 CH2O and H, it is ethanol. So molecular weight is equal to how much? It is 46 grams per mole. Okay, boiling point is how much? 351 kelvins. Okay, then here ether CH3 single bond CH3. Okay, the molecular weight is equal to how much? 46. Boiling point nearly it is 248 kelvins. 248 kelvins. This is ethanol, this is ether and it is propane. Propane means CH3 hydrogen and hydrogen. Like this propane we may write. So its boiling point is so its molecular weight is 44 and boiling point is equal to 231 kelvins. See here, its boiling point is 351, its boiling point is 248, its boiling point is 231. So here ethanol having high boiling point than these two due to presence of intermolecular hydrogen bonding. So here the boiling point of phenols and alcohols is higher than hydrocarbons, ethers, haloarenes and haloalkanes. It is alcohol and it is ether, it is alkanes. Alkanes means so hydrocarbons. So it having 351, it having 248 kelvins, and it having 231. So why? Because so here it is due to presence of intermolecular hydrogen bond. The boiling points of alcohols and phenols higher than hydrocarbons, haloalkenes, haloarenes, and ethers. Why? Because due to presence of intermolecular hydrogen bond. Due to presence of intermolecular hydrogen bond. This is briefly about physical properties. First one, boiling point. See here, alcohols and phenols consist of two parts, alkyl and aryl. So hydroxyl group. Okay. So here it contains a hydroxyl group. Hydroxyl group means OH group. So the properties of alcohols and phenols is due to OH group. Okay. The properties of alcohols and phenols is mainly so phenols mainly due to OH group. Okay. See here, boiling points we have to discuss first. Boiling point of alcohols and phenols are high. So the alkyl groups increases. So alkyl groups increases, then molecular weight increases. Then molecular weight increases means boiling point increases. And then van der Waals force increases. So number of branches attached means surface area decreases. Surface area of the molecule decreases, then boiling point decreases. At the same time, van der Waals forces decreases. See here, the number of branches increases on the carbon chain, then boiling point decreases. Boiling points decreases due to van der Waals forces decreases. At the same time, surface area also decreases. Surface area decreases means van der Waals forces decreases. So here the OH group forms intermolecular hydrogen bond in alcohols and phenols. Like this intermolecular hydrogen bond in alcohols, like this intermolecular hydrogen bond in phenols. So the boiling points of alcohols is higher than hydrocarbons, ethers, haloarenes and haloalkanes. It is due to high intermolecular hydrogen bond. For example, it is ethanol, it is ether, it is a propane, like this. Okay. So like this we may discuss boiling points. Next we have to discuss about solubility. Next we have to discuss about solubility. Okay, got it? So this is separation. This is a separation. So I will erase. Can I erase? Next solubility we have to discuss. Next, solubility. So alcohols and phenols are soluble in water. It is due to forming intermolecular hydrogen bond. It is due to forming intermolecular hydrogen bond with water. Okay. So here you have to know alcohols and phenols are soluble in water due to intermolecular hydrogen bond. Due to hydrogen bond due to forming due to intermolecular hydrogen bond. Due to intermolecular hydrogen bond. The alkyl groups or aryl groups increases, then solubility decreases. The alkyl groups and aryl groups increases on alcohols and phenols, then solubility decreases. See here, the alkyl groups or aryl groups increases, then solubility decreases. Then solubility decreases. Okay. If you take lower alcohols soluble in water, lower alcohols soluble in water in all proportions, in all proportions. Lower alcohols soluble in water in all proportions. Okay. See, if you take intermolecular hydrogen bond of alcohols with water. Okay. See here, CH3, CH2 and CH2 and O and H. Okay. See here, it having two lone pairs. These two lone pairs are hydrogen, oxygen and oxygen. It forms intermolecular hydrogen bond with this molecule, and it forms intermolecular hydrogen bond with another molecule. Okay. Hydrogen, oxygen and oxygen. So it forms intermolecular hydrogen bond with one more molecule. Okay. Hydrogen, like this, it having two lone pairs. It having two lone pairs. So this is intermolecular hydrogen bond with intermolecular hydrogen bond with intermolecular hydrogen bond with alcohol, intermolecular hydrogen bond of alcohol with water. So it is, here it is plus charge, it is a minus. Okay. Here it is a plus, it is a minus. Okay. So here we have to give bond with oxygen. Here we have to give bond with oxygen, hydrogen and hydrogen. Okay. It is intermolecular hydrogen bond with and oxygen, and here one more lone pair here. So this is the way, intermolecular hydrogen bond with okay, it is a plus, it is a minus. So it is a minus, it is a minus here. Two lone pairs can taken by hydrogen, this hydrogen. Okay, this is intermolecular hydrogen bond. Okay, then these are the physical properties of alcohols and phenols.